Hello, welcome to Jim's Kitsch Kitchen. As you may have heard, we lost a very special lady recently, Betty White. She was so funny, charismatic, and very saucy. Well, she was on the show The Golden Girls, and she played the character Rose. To celebrate Betty today, I'm gonna make something she made on that show. I'm making a BLP sandwich. That's right. On the show, I don't think she had tomatoes and she had potatoes, and so she decided to make a BLP sandwich. Actually, if you say it fast, it kind of sounds like the same. Listen, bacon, lettuce, potato. Do you hear it? It kind of sounds like bacon, lettuce, tomato. Rose is onto something. Let's make it! Start by thinly slicing a golden potato. We'll cook them in some butter and a little garlic and pepper. Potatoes are ready. As you can see, I've also cooked up some bacon. Now you need to toast some bread. I'm going to use some Hawaiian bread. And of course, I'm going to lather it with some mayonnaise. Bacon. Lettuce. And potato. BLP sandwich. Let's try it for Betty. Wow, it's good. And it works. I have my mimosa. Cheers to you, Betty. And to all of you watching, thank you for being a friend. Cheers.